Hey there, welcome. This is Wendy. I'm so excited you're here with me today. My website is www.loveandstampin.com, and I wanted to share that with you right off the bat because the way you're going to get this exclusive free thank you gift from me is going there and placing a minimum $50 purchase. So I want to say also that the stamp set, the punches, and the inks are not included. I'm going to show you exactly what is, but I wanted to show you a photo of all the products you'll kind of need to complete the kits. Now, this doesn't mean you have to have these products. You can actually put these kits together without using this stamp set, but this is a stamp set I used, so you could always use a different stamp set if you chose to. I used the Fruit Basket stamp set and these 4 little punches here. Actually, I only used one of them, but you could use all of them. And this is sold in a bundle in the Occasions catalog. So if you're interested in purchasing this and it's before May 2018, you could purchase the stamp set and the punches as a bundle. Here are the adorable cards that you're going to be able to make. These kits will include 2 of everything, so you'll get enough stuff to make 2 of each of these cards for a total of 4 cards. Then in addition to that, if you were to place a $100 order, you're going to receive these custom envelopes made by me, and I will send them along with your kit. So if you want the envelopes too, it would be a $100 minimum purchase. So the card kits come to you in the mail at the end of March. And you will also be provided exclusive tutorials, video tutorials that will not be published on my YouTube channel or my blog anywhere. So you can only get those free exclusive videos from me with the minimum purchase of $50. The great thing about purchasing this kit now, or I should say purchasing $50 minimum now, is that you also get a celebration item of your choice. So that's really exciting, and if you purchase 100, you get a higher level celebration item of your choice. So like I said, you're going to get 2 of everything that you see here, 2 of the card kits, 2 of the stamp set, or I'm sorry, 2 of the envelopes if you place a $100 order. So that makes a total of 4 cards. And of course then along with that the exclusive tutorial, and I'm going to throw in a sheet of Tutti Frutti sequins for you as well. If you want more information about this, please follow me on over to my blog at loveandstampin.com. It's right here down at the very bottom of the screen. You can watch other videos from me as well here, or subscribe to my channel by clicking the circle with my face. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.